Hey guys, how you doing? It's Kevtech here, bringing you another video on information technology. I hope you're having a good day. Happy Sunday, and today I'm going to share the internship with you. So things that we do in the internship. I'm not going to share everything with you, but I'm going to share stuff that might help you if you're trying to get a job or you're trying to understand IT and you're trying to understand certain things for Helpdesk. So just watch my video. Hopefully it helps you out. Obviously, I can't share the whole thing because we do hands-on training and we do certain things that defeats the purpose of having an internship. All right. So I hope you guys like the video. Talk to you guys later. Peace. Just getting things ready over here. Looks good. Looks good. I'm just gonna admit everyone. All right. Just admit everyone. See. Hey, John.
Hey.
What's up, man? How you doing?
Good, good. Can't complain. Yourself?
All right. I was having coffee and had some water, and then went for a walk.
Shit.
Nice.
Yep. So everyone's mic is working today.
Hello.
Yeah.
Oh, John's mic is working. Both Johns. Okay. You know it's bad when you have to call help desk. you call help desk in your help desk. That's just a problem right there. So it's just like, crap. Anyway, so project 3. Let's see.
About that.
What happened? You guys got stuck?
I got stuck.
Yeah.
Really? Right, give me a second. Your job, right? You're not gonna be the admin of the server, right? This is the one that comes with the server, right? This is just too much access, right? So what they usually do in a job environment, they usually give you your own account to log into, right? It could be like your name, it could be your name, it could be your last name, it could be whatever, right? So if you have a lab environment, like how would you guys, how would you create the account if you want to have the same access as the administrator? What would you do? How would you do it here? We're gonna call a brand new account help desk, and I want him to have the same access as the administrator that's right here. How do you do that?
I know it was. Okay, now I can't remember.
And then what does that do anyway? When you create a clone of the account, why do you do that?
I think it saves time, right? Because you don't have to. It gives them all the permissions.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. So here you got it. So here, hit copy. Okay, and for just first name, call it help desk. And then for the user login name, just call it help desk all the way down there. You could just ignore everything else there. Help desk, yep. And then hit next. Put password never expires is fine. That's fine. And then we're gonna go into no, that's just to disable the account. You don't want to disable the account. This is good. So go ahead and put for the password, put what I normally put capital P. Password, so capital P, lowercase ass, word, 1, 2, 3 exclamation point, and then confirm it, 1, 2, 3 exclamation point, and then just hit next. Okay, and hit finish. Now I want you to scroll down. Don't click on him. Scroll down. I want you to double click on administrator. I want you to go to member of on the top. Click on that.
Yeah, right.
And I want you to grab. I want you to, you know how you could drag. I want you to drag this account to the left a little bit. Just drag it to the left with your mouse. Yep. And then I want you to go to help desk and double click on it and open it. And then go to member of. Just hit get updates. Click on get updates. That's fine. And then close out of it. Just close out of it. That's fine. Hit member of. Okay. So John, does that answer your question?
Yeah.
So when you do copy, it actually copies everything from the other account. So what it does is it saves you time. Why would you manually add the accounts one by one? And that's crazy, right? You wouldn't.
Yeah, that would definitely.
You'll be here till tomorrow. So why would you do that? So you just do copy. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So and here, you know what's really cool about this? Just stay here. In here, go to attributor editor on Helpdesk, all the way to the right. Yep. And then scroll all the way down. Just scroll all the way to the end. All the way down. All the way down. All right. Here, if you look at it, you know, it says right there, when change, when created. Look at that. It says when you change the password and when you created the password. That's pretty cool, right? You got, yep, it's a timestamp there too. You can move it to the right, like the bar on the bottom. See the little bar right there? You can move all the way right. It tells you that. So how would you check how would you check the when the account is going to expire for someone? So say for example, someone calls you tomorrow morning, right? And they say how long do I have till I could change my password, right? What would you type here? Don't put help desk, put John. Just put John. Because we have an account called John. Put John. Yep. Then what would you do? Up, space. Space / domain. Yep, you got it. You got it. There we go. Yeah. So you go to your see how this is set up, right? Well, if you're brand new to Helpdesk, this is the command you would run: net space user space the domain, the username of the person, John, Helpdesk, whatever, space / domain. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
So you could do this on your computer if you have a computer that you're Helpdesk, right? You're brand new and you want to figure out when the password is expiring for a user or a client. You could do it right here. It tells you that. Look, it tells you password last set 1-3, password expire 4-3, password changeable 1-4. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I didn't know that one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So now we're gonna do scroll down and do another command. Up, go back up. Yep. So now we're gonna do who am I?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
All together. All right. Then do who am I space / FQDN. So this is how you know it's in a domain controller, right? Because it says C administrator, C users, DC is domain controller, Kevtech. So this is how you will run the command. Obviously, if it's not on a domain controller, you're gonna get a bunch of error messages, right?
Yeah.
So now that I showed you that, now I'm gonna show you something real cool. And now when you do show all the way in the right hand side, look at that. You see that? Look at account policies. Go up. Look at that. Password history, 24 passwords to remember. Maximum password age, 90 days. Minimum password age, 1 day. Minimum password length, 7 characters. So if someone calls you, right? This is if you have access to do this. Obviously, you may not have access to do this, right? But if you do, and someone calls you, like how many characters can I add on my password, right? 7 characters. You can only add 7. You can add 7 characters is minimum or more. So you have to have 7 characters or more in order for you to change your password. Obviously, if you don't do that, if you put 6 or less, it's not gonna work, right? So this is like if you're helping a user, right, and they're trying to change their password and it's not working, then you could go here and check in group policy if you have access to do it. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it varies to the corporation or company you work for, right?
Some companies will do 12 characters, some will do 7, some will do 10, some will do 14, some will do 100. You know, not 100. You know, I'm messing with you. But so you see on the bottom right there, look, it says account lockout threshold, like duration. You see it right there in the bottom, account lockout duration. So they get locked out for 30 minutes if they keep trying over and over again. How many times can they try? They could try 4 times.
4 times.
Yep. And then it says reset account lockout counter after 30 minutes. So they have to wait 30 minutes to reset their password. They have to wait 30 minutes to try to log in again. So in your job, they may have it set up this way. It depends where you work, obviously. So I want to see what you guys do when I mess somebody else, when I mess something up. Let me see what you guys do. What I'm gonna do right now, it's gonna confuse the hell out of you too. So So, all right. So let's see.
Appreciate it.
Yep. All right. So I am gonna open this up. I'm gonna see what you do, how much you know actually. So, John,
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna give you control of my screen. Can you take control of the screen? Can you control both the desktop and the server? Can you go between both?
Yeah.
Does it let you go to the other one? Okay, good, perfect. All right. First thing I need you to do, because you're help desk, right? You gotta help me. So my name is John. I need you to reset my password on Active Directory. How do you do that? And
Okay.
do it from the server. Don't do it from here. This
Okay.
is John's computer. So how do you do that?
From the server, I would go to the Active Directory
Yep.
and I would go to users
Yep.
and I would find help desk because John's in there, right?
No. So John is just a regular user I just created. How do you reset his password?
Oh, okay. So I would find his user, right? Inside of the
Inside of the OU, yeah. So how do you
Yeah.
search him? How do you find him? If you don't see him here, how do you find him?
I'm trying to think. Would I search the computers?
No, that's just computers only. So what?
Oh,
How
okay.
would you find him?
Trying to think.
We're allowed to like help him.
Yes, you're allowed to help him.
Yeah, please. I need backup.
Wouldn't you go to view and then expand or
View and expand. What?
like?
I think
go
you want
view-
to search directory.
So how do you search the
Entire
directory? How do you do that?
Right click on Kevtech.com.
Okay.
Oh, and find.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. And
Okay,
then
then type in
change-
John.
But change the look in. No, the
Oh,
other one.
this is fine. Find is fine. So what's
Oh.
wrong? What's going on with the one on the right?
Yeah, that
How-
one.
So why would you do entire directory and not kevtech.com?
Because he might not be in a domain, right? Or just
You could be in another. The user could be in another folder.
Okay, yeah,
Not
that's
this one.
correct. Yeah, yep. So go ahead and search for him. John. Yep. Doesn't matter if it's uppercase or lowercase. Yep, fine. Now I want you to reset his password. I want you to reset it to welcome one.
okay.
Capital W, lowercase welcome one. So how do you reset his password? You guys can help him too, by the way. You know.
No.
It won't be here, by the way. You wouldn't do it from here, just letting you know.
Okay.
You have him there, so what would you do? Okay.
That password.
Right there, underneath, right? Oh,
Okay, so all
You
right.
said capital W, welcome one.
Yeah, capital W, everything else is lowercase. Welcome one. Yep. So what would you do here? See where it says there? What is this?
You would unclick this one, right?
Do you want him to make his own password, or do you not want him to make his own password? That's entirely up to you.
I would ask him if he would like for me to create one, or would he like to change it whenever after his first login?
Okay, yeah. So leave that alone. That's fine. Hit OK. That's fine. No.
Uh,
Uncheck it. Hit OK. Okay, hit OK. Now log into the computer as John. Log
this
into
one,
the other computer. Yep. And then do other user and log in as John. I just want to see if you can log in as John. Oh, what the hell is this?
Mm.
Huh?
It's expired.
What's going on over here? I can't log in.
Okay, so so we got to go back, right? And
What do you think? What do you think is going on the screen? Why can't he log in?
because he has to put
What? For what?
If it expired, doesn't it prompt him to put a new password?
Nope.
We just put a new password.
He just put a new password. What's going on over here? Why can't he log in?
Right click again. Disable account.
No, if you do disable account, he can't log in. That's not what it is. What's going on?
Password never expires. No.
Wait. Okay.
So they're saying the account is expired, not the password.
Okay, so
Right?
yeah, so for it was right in their face.
So what's going on over here?
So how would I do this? So would it be like it would be for the company? It'll have to be like, because I know whenever I worked with Helpdesk, we did every 3 months, like 90 days, like you said earlier, or whatever. So in this case, we want to just.
So what's going on over here? Well, what happened? Why can't he log in? What happened?
Because it ended yesterday.
Yesterday. Look at the date.
2 years ago.
Yeah. So what you do now? What would you do?
I would either change it to whatever the protocol is, or put never.
Okay. Go ahead. Just put never. Never's fine. Okay.
Apply it.
Apply. Okay.
That would happen because that person probably was away or they rehired.
All right, yeah, rehire.
Sometimes you have consultants. So when you have a consultant, it expires in a certain amount of days. Try logging in again now. That's John.
I just feel like something else about to pop up, so that's
Hey, what is going on over here?
Okay.
All right, let you log in. Nice job. Capital W, welcome one. Hit next. Finish. Yep. Oh, password is not too complicated. Okay, go back. Add an exclamation point. Capital W, welcome one, exclamation point. Capital W, welcome one, exclamation point. Hit next. Finish. There we go. Log in as Jonathan now on the computer.
Here comes the error.
What? Yep. Input device. Yep. Control delete. Yep, that's fine. Log in with Jonathan. What?
No, it's always me. So it happens. So
It's booby traps.
booby trap. Oh my god!
What the heck happened here?
The security database on the server does not have a computer account for this website. So that means, all right. So do you want to try to do it first, Jonathan, or we couldn't? You
think there's something wrong with the user account? What are you checking there? Nothing wrong with the user account. What's going on there?
That computer has been taken off the domain, right?
I don't know. You tell me.
Because it says the trust relationship, so I guess that means it's not there. Go check the computers in the Active Directory. I don't know if it was. Yeah, I don't know if it was
the security tab. Maybe
it was desktop 3. Why is desktop 3 not here anymore? What happened?
It got taken off the server. Wait, so that means you got to go to no.
We're gonna sign into the local account.
Yep. So how do you do that? You can't log in as John, because John's a domain account. How do you log in as another account that's local? So how do you log in as admin? Remember I have an admin account? How do you log in as admin? What would you type here? What would you put here?
You would put admin / domain, right?
No.
Type domain name.
Nope.
I thought it was name. Then
Isn't it Kevtech?
Why would it be? Why would it be Kevtech? That's a domain controller.
It'll be desktop 3 / domain.
No.
Oh,
No, it's not on the domain.
Desktop 3. That makes sense. Desktop 3. Yeah.
Desktop 3 / admin.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Try that. Yep.
I knew it was something with the name first, but wait, desktop 3.
Desktop 3 admin. Yeah. Desktop 3 / admin. So we gotta put a 3 in there.
Oh,
desktop 3. Because that's the name of the desktop. Desktop 3.
My keyboard I always have a malfunction of some sort.
Yeah, I see that. Just press enter.
Okay. This is new. I've never seen this on any
Okay.
here. So, okay.
Okay, so now you're logged in as the admin account local on the computer. How do you fix the domain controller then? What do you do?
Now you have to add it back to the kevtech.com, right?
How do you do that?
Let's see if John can do it. I know what to do.
You know what to do?
I believe so.
Yeah, what do you do, John?
And
How do you add it back to the domain controller? What do you do?
oh yeah, you're right. Just
You just gotta
property.
go to properties and then go to change.
settings,
Okay.
and then
Go to-
change.
Rename the domain. The bottom one, go to change,
Okay.
and it's
Oh
still-
wait, it is already.
No, it's out of it fell off the domain, so that doesn't matter because it fell off the domain. So how do you fix this? What do you do?
if it fell off the domain.
So what do you do now? You're in the right spot. What do you do?
Don't we have to put the full computer name? It says it right there, right?
No, why would you do that?
Well, okay, I thought the name was wrong.
So what's going on over here? How do you if it fell off the domain, when something falls off the domain, right?
Mhm.
And you're logged in as a local account, you have to log back in as work group. So just put work group there. For work group,
Oops. Okay.
and then hit OK. Spell group right.
I'm delayed. Okay.
Yep, and hit OK. So you're about to leave. You see it says you're about to leave the domain, which is fine, right? Now here is the help desk passwords. Remember we made that password? So you put help desk. And then you put the password, whatever it is, capital P, lowercase password, 123, right? Wherever it was, 123. And hit OK. Now hit OK. Now hit OK. Now hit close. Now hit restart now. Yep, just give it a second.
That's a tough one.
Does that make sense?
So
Yeah.
why do you have to add it to the work group?
You're putting it back. You're taking off because it has that error message, the domain controller. You're basically taking it out of the domain, and you're putting it back on local account. If that makes sense. So you're gonna try to re-add it again because it fell off the domain. The only way to fix it is by removing it and adding it back.
Desktop 3, Kevtech.com.
Wait,
Okay.
did you do this, or this is on us?
No, I did that on purpose. So it's
Oh.
just yeah. So what's going on over here?
All right. Type it in again. So I didn't get to read it. I thought we were just typing in the wrong.
Yeah,
password.
don't rush. Take your time with it. You cannot rush when you're doing these things. Take your time.
Now let's read it one more time. The following.
Reference account is currently locked out and may not be logged into. So what's going
okay.
on with Helpdesk? Go back to your domain controller, Active Directory on the server, and check Helpdesk. What's going on with Helpdesk?
Something wrong with the account settings on Helpdesk. Go back to the other, that one.
Go look for Helpdesk. What's going on with Helpdesk? Check
Go to-
account. Check the account
Oh.
tab. Oh, what's going on over here? Look. Nope. What are you doing? Oh, uncheck that.
Look
What's going
up.
on?
Wait, unlock the account.
What happened here? The account got locked out.
Is that because it fell off the domain controller?
No, it's because he put the password too many times incorrectly.
Oh, so I made myself a scenario.
You gave yourself a scenario. That's what happened. So try to log in again on Windows 10.
Because he got the 4 times, right?
Yep.
That's funny. Call Helpdesk.
I didn't even make that scenario. You made it up on your own because you kept typing it wrong. You kept fat fingering it.
I always-
Yep, Kevtech.com. Not Helpdesk.
Okay.
No, how bad.
Yeah, try again. Don't fat finger it.
Oh, wait. Helpdesk or administrator?
No, Helpdesk. The Helpdesk one is the one that got locked out. He unlocked it just now. Let's
He's
try
nervous
again.
now.
You create your own scenario. He's just double
He's gonna
checking.
check.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. You going?
What was it?
Exclamation point.
Okay.
Oh, see, that's what happened.
Hit OK. See if it lets you do it. Okay.
There we go.
There we go, Jonathan.
Oh man, that's funny. Hit close. Hit restart now. Yep, you're good. You created your own. You created your own issue. That wasn't even me. You created that. You kept typing it in. You got locked out because of that. Okay, not server manager, just Active Directory, and all you do is just do reset password. Account creation, add someone to a group, stuff like that. If that makes sense, that's what you'll be doing. Helpdesk. It's not. You're not gonna give you access to server manager. That's too much access. So they'll give you access to our set tools, and you can just do whatever you want with it. If that makes sense.
Yeah.
Yep. So.
Cool.
So.
Yeah, today was a big jump.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Especially me.
Yeah. You're locking out your own account. Yeah, locked out your own account. I'm like, what is he doing?
I created no
You
scenario.
created your own issue.
Helpdesk calling Helpdesk.
Oh my god. All right, man. I'll let you guys go. You got hopefully today was helpful.
Oh yeah, today was fun.
Yes.
I appreciate you, Kev, for everything you do.
Thanks,
All right,
man.
man. I'll talk to you, man. I'm gonna write up Project 4, and then Project 4 is gonna be very complicated, by the way. So
Nice.
yeah, it should be fun.
Love it. Yes.
Let's go.
Do you guys feel like you're getting Windows 10 in the server? Like you feel like you're understanding it more now?
Yeah. We just making like minor mistakes, thinking too hard still.
But do you feel like you feel like more comfortable now with Active Directory, with the server?
Yeah, I think
with
using
Windows 10?
using the virtual boxes, because I didn't know anything about that before, and now it's like it's cool because now I don't have to be paranoid that I'm going to mess something up on my machine.
Oh no, you could break the server and then redo it again. It's
I've done it, or
not the
yeah,
end of the world.
yeah.
It's not the end of the world.
installed like 3 of them already. I have to start over.
Yeah, it's not the end of the world. You could just do it. And I'll send you a video. I'll send you the playlist, and you could just follow along on the playlist, the desktop playlist,
Yeah.
the Helpdesk playlist, and you could just follow along, and it makes your life so much easier on how to make your own little lab, if that makes sense. So
Yeah.
you can just go over that playlist, and then next week is gonna get a little more. It's gonna get very complicated because we're gonna do Office 365, and I'm gonna go over it, and I cannot give you access to that, not yet, because when I do, you could break stuff by accident. So you got to be careful with that. That you could log in and delete. You could delete John's account, and then John could log in and could delete Caesar's account. You got to be careful with that. So that the Office 365 is, I'm gonna give you some access, but not a lot of access, because if I give you too much, you're gonna get lost, because Office 365 has a lot of stuff. But also, I don't want you accidentally deleting someone else's account,
Yeah.
So that's going to be like, oh, crap, I deleted his account by accident, Kevin. Now he can't log in,
Yeah.
Is
Sounds like
Exchange
fun.
on Microsoft Office?
It's
Or 365?
Office 365 Enterprise with Azure Connect.
Oh, nice.
Oh,
And it has Yammer, Azure Connect. It has Teams. It has everything. Everything. So you got to be careful. You know what I'm saying? You got to be careful. You could break something from it. So I'll give you access to it, and you guys play around with it. It's just, you could play around with it. Just be careful what you're touching, because you could mess somebody else's account.
Yeah.
I'll create accounts for everyone, and then I'll have you guys try to log in and stuff like that. So,
Cool.
all right,
Yes, sir.
I'll let you guys go.
all right.
Appreciate
Thank
it,
you
man.
so much.
All right, man. You guys take care, and I'll send you the Discord. I'll send you the playlist for Helpdesk, the VM playlist, so you could follow along in that, and then you could go. I want you to go over. Actually, I'm gonna give you homework. You'll see the Project 4. Project 4 is all gonna be a little bit more advanced stuff, No, not Office 365. I'm gonna go over 365 and I'm gonna share my screen and show you how to use it. But then after that, I'll give you a license the following week, and then after that, and we'll start going. We're gonna start doing stuff with your resume. If that makes sense.
Okay. Sounds like
I need you to start applying for jobs, like pronto.
Yeah.
Like that's the second or third week of this month.
Mm-hmm.
Then as you're doing that, we're gonna study and do things while you're applying for jobs. If that makes sense.
Heck yeah.
Awesome.
Yep.
Cool.
All right.
Yes, sir. Well, appreciate you.
And we have to go over your resume because I wanted to have certain things on it, on the resume for the internship. I have certain things. I don't want because then I don't want everyone having different things on their resume. It has to be the same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense.
That doesn't make any sense that you have this and he has that. You don't. It has to be all unison.
Mhm.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Unicorns. Yes, exactly. Unicorns. Yes, exactly. All right, guys.
All right,
You guys
guys.
go.
All right, y'all have a good one.
All right, you
All
too,
right.
man. Take care. All right, bye. Thanks.